My name is Kate and this is the Luxe Picnic Rug. Growing up on a farm has not only gifted me with many freckles, it's given me a great appreciation for hard work, community and the natural world. The Luxe Picnic Rug was designed to hold the same values. Withstanding the usual suspects, her durable waterproof base and soft fleece top are made from approximately 110 recycled plastic water bottles. Adorned in hand-dyed organic cotton tassels and rolled up in a vegan-friendly cork harness, she isn't like any other. Strong, beautiful, reliable, she knows how to make an impact. Gold Scout wants to encourage more time spent outdoors, connecting with nature and your loved ones. Inspiring us to think differently about what a brand can do and stand for. It can be a movement. Founded 4 years ago after not finding what I was visualizing, I designed, researched, built contacts and made prototypes. I've finally gotten to a point where I'm happy with the quality and aesthetic of the design. It's taken a team of talented creatives to bring the vision to life. Esteemed graphic artists, environmentally conscious manufacturers, and the continued support of family and friends. To get off the ground and produce our first run, Gold Scout needs your help. If we don't reach our goal, we get nothing. But let's not dwell on that. If this campaign is successful, your contribution not only helps us to meet our target, but puts us well on the way of creating a movement where quality and design isn't compromised by our desire to preserve.
With the amount of plastic bags and bottles polluting our landfills, rivers, and oceans, our planet is in serious trouble. Make a difference with the revolutionary Kwik Bagit ecosystem. Kwik Bagit is a patent-pending utility device to make all your tasks easy while reducing waste. It's built with unique telescopic rails and legs to fit virtually any size bag on the market. And with no tools required, it's easy to use. Simply attach the reusable cloth bag to the rails with the unique retaining clips to secure the bag of your choice. Then fill it up, release the bag, and lift the unit over. Now that's making the task easier. Have you ever had to deal with products like these? Who wants to do yard work when it can be so frustrating? Kwik Bagit ecosystem is a versatile, multi-use system that allows you to improve and simplify all your tasks around your yard and home. It's not only a great way to collect yard debris, it's the perfect solution to sort your recyclables, collect your laundry, use around the pool to dry your towels, or beside the barbecue where you need that extra table. You can even take it camping or fishing, or to your next tailgating party. Wherever, whenever, Kwik Bagit ecosystem is making the task easier and helping the environment at the same time.
Hi, my name's Harold Sekerka, and I'm the creator of the Kwik Bagit system. I've had a great time developing the Kwik Bagit system. The designs have been created, prototypes have been produced, and manufacturers have been sourced. But the expensive tooling costs must be paid for before mass production can begin. However, before that can begin, I need your help. Please make a pledge or pre-order at the end of this video. And let's work together to make Kwik Bagit a truly great product for the world market. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you visit our website to see what more this exciting product has to offer. And please, forward this video to your friends, relatives, and anyone else who you think might use the Kwik Bagit system. Thanks very much.
Introducing B. B is pioneering a whole new category of toothbrush that has the performance of an electric toothbrush, combined with all of the benefits of a manual toothbrush. Imagine never having to deal with charging, messy cables, adapters, and batteries, but still get that diamond clean that you and your dentist have grown to love. Today, people are carrying around more electronic devices than ever before in history, and unfortunately, these devices come with enormous baggage. Did you know that 15 billion batteries are sold every year and that 87% end up in landfills, 12% get incinerated, and only 1% of them actually get recycled? A good majority of these batteries go into items for personal care, and 7.3 billion people generate a lot of waste. So we started to ask ourselves, is there another way? 2.5 years later, we can finally say there is. Our patented B-Clean technology makes it possible to transform the energy from a simple twist into over 80,000 tartar-fighting brushstrokes. No batteries, cables, adapters, or chargers are required. If you love to travel, enjoy the great outdoors, always on the go for business, or want to make your home more eco-friendly, look no further. This toothbrush was made just for you. B empowers you to enjoy the best dental hygiene no matter where you are in the world, regardless of grid. Our mission is to deliver a toothbrush equivalent or better than your electric toothbrush and free you from needing electricity, batteries, cables, or adapters when it comes to your dental routine. Plus, every B comes with a snap-on travel case to keep your brush safe and clean. It also comes with a 1-year supply of 100% biodegradable refills. It has taken the past 2.5 years and dozens of prototypes along the way to develop our patented B-Clean technology. We've pushed the boundaries to bring you a breakthrough in powered sustainable brushing, and now we need your help to make this technology a reality. This is your chance to go beyond electric and pledge for an opportunity to be among the first to experience brushing with B.
My name is Thomas, and I'm the founder of Tobo. The problem I see today with toys is that a lot of kids are playing with plastic products that are basically made to be thrown away, or they're glued to the screens of their iPads. When I was a kid, I totally loved playing with anything that had to do with cars or vehicles or constructions or tracks. It allowed me to build something, to connect pieces together, and it really spurred on a lifelong love for seeing how things work. Sometimes I got frustrated with toy cars and trains. I would run out of a curve or a straight and they wouldn't go where I wanted them to go. Well, I developed Tobo as a solution to those kinds of problems. Whenever you play with this track, you're going to be able to use up all the pieces. You're not going to have any pieces that don't fit in, and you're going to be able to create a different track every time you use this toy.
ToboTrack encourages that physical involvement, getting down on the floor with your kids, playing along, creativity, problem solving, and that's a real win for me, not just as a retailer, but also as a parent. And I absolutely love to see my kids' creations, and they especially love the new connector that allows them to join ToboTrack to their other toy sets like Lego.
I know kids out there have a lot of other toys that they already play with and have at home, so I designed an adapter piece which allows ToboTrack to interface directly with those other toys so that they can create a large network of tracks and construction toys that can play together. I think Tobo sets a really good example in the industry because it finds a way to use the traditional ways of making plastic toys, but with a renewable resource, wood. It's 100% pure recycled wood. It can be formed and shaped like plastic, but it doesn't contain any plastic or other nasty chemicals.
We've tried to eliminate all plastic toys from our classroom. We still have a lot of kids who are mouthing toys, so we don't know how the plastic is breaking down and what that impact is on them.
ToboTrack is off to a really great start. I've already developed the design, I've invested in the tooling and the mold, I've placed the first limited production run, and it's been received really well by parents, kids, and reviewers alike.
The children were all really engaged and really involved. They all stayed and played together, which doesn't happen very often in that kind of group setting when there's so much other stuff going on.
In order to take ToboTrack to the next level, I need to produce in a larger quantity to get my costs down and get it into stores across North America. I want everybody to be able to walk into a toy store and see Tobo sitting there and be able to afford it. If we reach the funding goal, I'll be able to place the order for the new tooling of the adapter for the larger production run and get the ToboTrack rewards out to you within 2 months. Back Tobo now and help get more kids playing with toys like this.